Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today I'm taking on an Instagram challenge. So I went on Instagram and I asked you guys to challenge me by sending me a post with a picture of a hairstyle that you wanted to challenge me to do. And the one that I got above all else was this one by Alexandra Lee 1016. I very much recommend following her on Instagram post haste. I haven't made rosettes or a bow with hair in a very long time, so this will be fun. So to prep my hair, I've just curled it and added in some extensions. One of you actually DM'd me the picture of this hairstyle and was like, oh, and do it without extensions. And I was like, girl, I do not have enough hair for that. I guess the first thing is to create those little twists on top. So I'm gonna grab a piece of hair, give it a little twist, and pin. Okay. Oh. Oh. To be fair, I never saw this hairstyle from the front. Maybe this is what this looks like from the front. Oh, that's not making it better. Okay. I think that worked. Okay, all that work and we've just not even actually gotten started. Awesome, cool. Let's make some flowers. Pretty easy up here. We're just gonna grab like a moderately chunky section and then braid it all the way down. Okay, and secure it with an elastic. All right, first thing I'm doing is I'm pull, massage, pull, massage, and then you're actually gonna pull one side apart more so that it creates the rose petals. So this is our rose petal side, so I have to make sure that goes up. And then this basically becomes like a puppy going to sleep on your head. It goes around in a circle, and then it just snuggles up nice and tight in the center. And we pin it in place. Hey, that's cute. One down, 6 more to go. Okay, so we take our next section. We follow the same steps. I don't know if that's pulled apart enough, but I know that I'm over it, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it into the bun. So if the puppy analogy wasn't your thing, you can also think of this as like a spiral. So you just start by making the biggest circle and then you spiral, making smaller and smaller circles until you reach the very middle. And if it's hard for you to kind of like maneuver all this hair and hold it in place, you can take breaks and add in bobby pins as you go. And if you have a nice long end like this, you can wrap it around your finger so it creates a very small circle and then put that in the center and then you pin that in place there. All right, there we go, little flower. There's only 2 flowers out of 7. So I guess I'm just gonna keep going. These are way bigger than they need to be. I am making some giant roses here. That's probably why I'm gonna have no hair left to work with at the end of this. Back to the braiding. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Actually, started from the bottom. Now we're here. Oh my gosh, I'm getting sleepy again. I think braiding and pulling braids apart is just like soothing to me. One more, only one more to do. I love that this girl came up with this. Like, who looks at Valentine's Day as inspiration and goes, oh, a flower bouquet? Like, I've never considered that in all my years of making hairstyles. I think that's so cool. Guys, I see it. It's coming to life. I have a bouquet on my head. Now for the part I'm most concerned about, the bow. It looks like the hair that's left in front of the ears here and in front of the ears here comes back, and it has a little twist to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this back and do a little topsy tail. And now the bow. Create a little loop here, put the elastic around that, and then split the loop so that it goes to either side. And so that's the 2 ends of the bow. Then we're gonna take this and create the little center. And the way we're gonna do it is to wrap it around our little topsy tail here and bobby pin the heck out of it. Oh, that's not good. Just this one part is really the worst of it. So let's move that piece of hair and put this here. That's better. And what are you doing? This insubordinate. I went off camera, curled my hair, fought with that last little rosette a little bit. And my head is an actual bouquet of flowers. I'm gonna open up the original photo now. Yeah, the flowers are way too big. Like way too big. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, and hers looks better for the flowers being smaller. This is a lot. Now the question is, does my perfectionist gene take over and try to do it again with them smaller? Or do I stop here Oh no, my perfectionism is taking over. Okay, I'm gonna do all that again, just smaller. I'll be back. All right, let's see if I can speed through this. From the front, it looks much more normal. Perhaps I should try a different method for the flowers and go from the inside out to create a smaller flower. So with this one, you literally just wrap it like a bun. That looks like a better size already. I'm gonna get a little more high maintenance this time, and I'm actually just gonna twist the front on both sides back. Okay, and then I'm gonna use an elastic to create the bow still. I'm just gonna put the elastic around the loop, split it in two. Now I'm gonna create each side of the bow and pin that in place. Getting my topsy tail. And find the ends. Haha! And boom! There we go. Finally! Let me take a look at the inspo pic. I feel like I got a lot closer. I do think, you know, if I had the cotton candy pink hair, everything would be so much better, but I am much more proud of the outcome of this one. 2 full tries later, I got it. I created flowers on my head, which is a thing I never knew I wanted to do. I'm feeling it. I want to take about 1,000 pictures right now. I'm interested to know how many of you guys, like show of hands in the comments, how many of you guys would wear this hairstyle? For Instagram, a YouTube video, or otherwise, I don't know your life, just would you wear this hairstyle? Hands up in the comments. That's today's hairstyle. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna wear this until I go to bed. I'm wearing it out to see friends. Don't think I won't. I'm excited about this. I worked hard for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more Instagram challenges, let me know in the comments down below. And that is today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye!